For Ariston AVL95 daily wash, put on 9. It's daily wash. Push that in. Put on 30. Push it in and press the start button. Boom, and then you'll have a 30 minutes daily wash. Quick wash. You can also look in here. It says daily wash. Put it in 9 and then 30. It's a daily wash. You can go on with the other ones. Put it to 8. 40 minutes delicate. So these are the number of, this is the temperature. These are the temperatures. For some reason the time is not given here, but the time you can find it online.